Alright, so now we are here in Canva and I'm going to show you guys how you can make that worksheet. Okay, first we're going to go to create and click custom size. And the size of the workbook is 8.5 by 11, which we use in KDP 3 by 4, right? Okay, so now we are here in Canva and I'm going to show you guys a short tutorial on how you can create the tracing letters. Okay, first you're going to go to create and click custom size, and for KDP, which is 8.5 by 11 and 3 by 4 ratio in KDP, click this one. Okay, let's go to the text and let's got the heading. So let's say A, B, C, and D. And then we're going to the fonts, guys. So go to the fonts, click this one and go to the fonts. So we're going to look at for KG. Just type KG and there you go. So now here you're gonna double click this one and choose the one that you want here. Then you can choose this one or you can choose this one. So if you want them to trace it, and then I'm just gonna make it a little bit bigger so that you can see. So this is how it looks like when you created your tracing. And if you want to put some okay, so you can change this one for if you just looking for letter A, it's all A. Okay, then just change A and okay, A. All right, and then if you want to put some objects there, then just go to elements and let's say apple. Okay, just find an apple with this one and you will see a lot of apple here. Then you can choose this one for them to color if you want to. Okay, just like that. And okay, you can click this one oh, so you can see this one. So there are a lot of apples here, guys, that you can choose from to you know, just like that if you want them to make with a color, and if you want them to color the apple, things like that. So I'm just showing you guys that you can make a design for this, and then you can go again to text and type the letter, let's say letter A for apple, and then we can just go there, and then let's go to the Canva again and let's change this one for this, or you want to do like this and like that. So it's up to you guys. So there are three options here that you can choose from on how you can create this primary penmanship for the letter A. Okay, I'm just gonna make a little bigger so you can see it just like that. Or you can put the apple, you know, hold on, just gonna make it here just like that so you can color it, right? So you can make this a little bit shorter, and then you just, all you're gonna do, if you want, then you just duplicate this, oops, sorry. All right, duplicate and duplicate, so you can just move all of the you know, tracing here, just like so. This is how you can create a tracing letter, guys, inside of Canva, and you can make a design, whatever design that you want, and go for it. Okay, I hope this helps, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video.